Hey there, welcome back to Palette Life, and this is SUMA BABU. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself. I'm passionate about anything and everything creative. I have made videos on art, craft and gardening related topics. I have made almost 120 videos till date. Let me tell you, I have learned none of this subject, but I always wanted to learn them. So I started experimenting them. When I got some spare time during this COVID times, I started utilizing those time being productive and trying out something new. That's why I am here. I always want to journal my growth as an artist. So hope you'll be helping me by subscribing to my channel. And I promise you, you will get to know something new in my each posting. Today we will take up one craft activity. I was having this cake base with me for so long time. I wanted to convert this into an art piece, so I made this. So this flower is made out of Shilpakar Clay. I have recorded the whole process of how to make this, but unfortunately some of the videos were not playing. So whatever I was having with me, I made a video because I wanted to post this particular video today on the special day of Valentine's Day. So to my all lovely viewers, wishing you a very happy Valentine's Day. You are the inspiration for me to try out something new always. So keep inspiring me and inform me what kind of video you want to see from me. So now let's get started.